This is the first activity in grade 4 science week 1. What are muscles? You are moving some part of your body right now. Stop. Sit perfectly still. Guess what? Parts of your body are still moving. Muscles are the parts of your body that let you move. When you stand up, you are using muscles. They are called voluntary muscles because you make them move. Muscles also move parts of your body without your knowledge. Involuntary muscles work even when you aren't thinking about them. In fact, you can't control involuntary muscles. Take an educated guess. Write down your favorite activity. Can you name any of the muscles you use to do the activity? For example, if you love running, you use your leg muscles and your foot muscles. Does a skeleton have muscles? Remember what your skeleton is? It's all your bones. Your bones have muscles attached to them. The muscles help move the bones. Skeletal muscles are the easiest muscles to see at work. Lift your pinky. That's a skeletal muscle. Kick your leg. That's another skeletal muscle. Almost half your body is made of skeletal muscles. Your skeletal muscles are voluntary, so control who you kick. Did you know your largest muscles are the ones you're sitting on right now, unless you're standing at the keyboard? Your smallest muscles are in your middle ear. They are almost too small to see. Your strongest muscles are on each side of your mouth. How do muscles move? Tendons attach skeletal muscles to your bones. A tendon is like a rubber band. It can stretch out, but then it snaps back. In your knee, for example, the tendon can bend and then straighten. Model a skeletal muscle. Supplies: 2 rulers, an oblong balloon, masking tape, string. Tape the rulers together at one end. Blow into the balloon a little and tie it shut. Tie one end of the balloon to one ruler and the other end to another ruler. Open and close the rulers to see how the muscles contract and relax. Face it. Latoya smiles when she's happy. She frowns when she is mad or sad. Jude squints when he walks into bright light. Sometimes when Dad isn't looking, he sticks his tongue out at his sister. Latoya and Jude are using their facial muscles. Some facial muscles connect the skull to your skin. Others, like the tongue, don't. Most facial muscles are voluntary. When muscles don't work properly. Sometimes people's muscles don't develop correctly. To read about people who deal with muscle disabilities, check out these books. Extraordinary People with Disabilities by Deborah Kent and Catherine Quinlan. Disabled People by Pete Sanders. Moving in your sleep. Involuntary muscles work even while you're sleeping. They work some of your body's system. Your stomach digests food. Your intestines pass food through the body. Your eyelids blink to keep your eyes moist and clean so you can always see clearly. The pupil of your eye opens and closes. It changes to suit the light. Your involuntary muscles at work. Spend 2 minutes in the dark in front of a mirror. Turn on the light and watch your pupils narrow. They protect your eyes from sudden light. You don't have to do a thing. Keeping your muscles in good health. Eating the right foods and getting exercise help your muscles stay healthy. Muscles need nutrients like protein and vitamins to stay strong. Being active builds muscles. Soccer and bike riding are 2 great things you can do for your muscles. Muscles get larger when you use them. Still, they don't have to swell like a bodybuilder's to be strong and healthy. Keeping busy? Make a list of anything that you've done today to help your muscles. If you can't think of anything, get busy. Review, and you'll have to do this on your own device. Kenji and Hiro are going camping with their father. Help them to identify which activities use voluntary muscles and which use involuntary. Click V for voluntary muscles and I for involuntary muscles. To get to the top of the mountain, the boys hike for hours. The muscles they use to move their legs are voluntary or involuntary. When they get to the campsite, they all smile. A smile uses a muscle. Is that an involuntary or involuntary? As evening comes, the boys' eyes adjust to the dark. They are using voluntary or involuntary muscles. The muscles they use while they are sleeping are voluntary or involuntary. The boy's father wakes up in the morning with a bellyache. Which kind of muscle is responsible? Voluntary or involuntary?